to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, my little munchkin. Go to sleep before I rip my hair out of my head. Mommy loves you, but you drive me insane. Yes, I love you, I gave birth to you, but you are driving me nuts. Go to sleep, go to sleep. I love you, my little cheese ball. Yes, I do. I wipe your butt every day of your childhood. Yes, it comes with being a mommy. I know that quite plain. Yes, I love to wipe your drool up, and you still drive me insane. Oh, I love you, sweetheart. And someday you're going to talk back to me, and you're going to slam doors in my face, and I'm still going to love you. Why? Because I'm crazy. I love you. Bye.